one of the first steps for you to start a membership program where you can start charging your students monthly subscriptions so you can then have a monthly recurring income is that you create a transformational process through which you're gonna be taking them. This transformational process is gonna be part of your membership offer. Your offer consists of a promised outcome, right? A course, which is your transformational process. It consists also of a community, coaching calls, and a price point, right? But let's not focus on those things right now. Let's focus in this video only on how to create the course curriculum and course videos and a course structure through which you're gonna be taking people through so they can achieve certain outcome. I'll show you right now a replay where I talked with a client of mine and I gave her a feedback on her course curriculum and how she created her slides and how she should fix them so she can systematically guide each of her new members then through this transformational process, and she gets all of them to achieve the outcome that she is delivering to them. Christina is a manifestation and energy increase, a life purpose coach, and I gave her a feedback on how she can improve her course, create a membership coaching offer, open her school then, and also how she can start signing her first members paying her monthly fees. If you would like to learn more about the knowledge that we share in this video, join my free school that you can find the link about down below and access my free course of how to sign the first 5 members paying you $97 per month. Enjoy this video. So if the step 1 was, which you did, right? You created your offer, right?
Yes.
And then you DM'd me with that offer here.
Okay. Yes, I did.
You know, you wrote out the outcome statement on top, the milestones that we're going to go through, right?
Right.
So you have a plan here already. The membership includes this and that, and the price point. Hey, join now, right? So you did that. You're ready. The only thing missing is that you turn this into mini lessons for your course later on.
Yeah, I have to listen. I have to do the videos now.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, if I'm you, I wouldn't even overcomplicate this. I would just record one video for each.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to overcomplicate this. I need this to be done, and that's about it. You're going to create another version of your course later on, okay?
Okay.
Later, we need to usually recreate our course anyway, because we learn so much from the first 5, 10, 15 people.
How long each video should be?
So here is the thing, right? Here you have the explanation. I'm not sure if you already watched this next lesson. Here is creating your course. So you made an offer description already. You need to now create your course curriculum, which is here. Now, you see you have those modules that I showed you before, right?
Yeah, I do have them.
You know, it seems that you have 6, 7 modules or whatever, right? You could create a video on this, 4 minute video, okay? Then you could create another video on this.
Right.
You could create a video on this. And maybe this, it's up to you, right? But for each module, if that's a module, the first one, the purpose, right? Just write down 3 bullet points like this. You sent me even the slides already, right?
Yeah, I created them.
You actually already did create the slides.
The slides, yeah.
Through my Canva slide stamp. So you already did that, okay?
Yes, I did.
That's the first page. Then that's an introduction, right? You know what this course is going to be all about. So you followed my template, and then you have course lesson 1. You see here, you didn't update it here, like the purpose. Where is the purpose thing, right? You know, the purpose is the first step, discover your purpose. Update it here in the slides. Should be the first lesson, discover your purpose.
Okay.
You need to fix these things, all right?
Okay.
Now, for these 3 topics, you can just talk about them.
Okay.
This could be one video to keep it simple, okay?
Okay.
You know, you would say, in this video now, I'm going to explain you how burnout works, how it all looks like, and how you can become emotionally resilient so you don't burn out and you always are full of energy, blah, blah, blah. See, that's how you would talk, right?
Right.
And then you go into these 3 topics. Let me first explain you what burnout is and why it happens and how you should, and then you talk for 1 minute about this, right? And then you talk about the point 2 and point 3. And then that's how you wrapped up this lesson. Make sense?
Yes.
And then you are like, okay, next video, another 3 minutes, right?
Mhm.
If you need more explanation for each of these points, just create another dash like this to the right and write another supportive sentence, and then talk through that supportive sentence, right? If you need a note next to it for people to see and for you, like explain in one sentence next to it here, what is energy mastery? You need to say, you need to master your energy, and this is how you do it. I mean, I don't know. You need to create your plan here, all right?
Okay, I guess the designing your life, I put it last. So maybe I need to move it up. Okay.
I mean, I would follow this guideline here, okay?
Do you want me to kind of like restructure it and then just follow those?
Maybe, you need to make your own course work, okay? When you sit down here in front of a computer with a potential client or with a client or so, you need to be like, hey, this is how it works. This is the method. Okay. First, you need to really know what your purpose is. What's your goal? And that's what I help you as part of my first module, my first course videos. To identify what's your North Star, where you really want to go in life, because that's what drives us, right? You see how I work, right? I know that my first goal with you is sign 5 members, and that's what people need to discover in their life as well. First, I don't want to work with you on removing certain blocks and stuff if I don't know where you really want to go.
Right.
And I want to have a specific goal for each of all of my clients here right now. We all need to have a common goal because that's where we are all going. And that's how you need your course as well to work properly.
Okay.
Hey, you, Jenny, or a person in front of you, right? Hey, tell me what you really want to achieve in your life. Or you want to have a beautiful family, you want to have this job, you want to have this house, and you want to have this much free time daily to... Sure. All right. And then it's step 2. Now tell me what's blocking you to get there and which of those things are not working with you. Let us fix now your energy. Let us adjust your energy, because through adjustment of your energy, it's all going to manifest into your life and you're going to get things rolling, right? So this is called a method. Your course is a tool, right? A method.
Right.
All right?
Yeah. Okay.
And when you work with a client, this is what you go with them through. So those slides that you showed me need to be your guideline.
Okay.
Because they will become you should have a video for each of those guys. You want your client to watch that video ahead of time before they speak to you, before they come on a group call or so, right? So then you can ask them, hey, did you decide on what your purpose is? Did you complete this task? To be honest, you should have a mini task here. I used to, when I began 10 years ago with my life personal transformational journey, I used to have a document of how to define my vision and my purpose of life. I used to have that document, and I wrote on top what's my goals, my 6 aspects of life, how my spiritual life should look like, how my mental, emotional, physical, financial, and whatever, right? I've wrote those things down, and you should have your clients to do something like that. This is just ideas, because I need you to have a simple formula through which you take people through so they actually can move forward and they master it. If they master it, guess what? Manifestation. Real good life, right?
Right.
And yes, they're going to need to stay in your membership for a few months to really transform their life. But that's the key right here. Help them master it.
It's becoming more clear now that we spoke.
So that's why I'm saying, hey, you got to be clear on your course. Do you see my course here? I'm quite clear on it, right? Step 1, create your own offer, which we discussed right now. Have your course ready. Have everything ready to charge people whatever price per month. Step 2, in our case, is, hey, use the Skool app platform, which is going to host your members, the community. You're going to have your course videos in one place and people know when to come to the group calls calendar, right? That's our step 2. We optimize your own Skool so you are ready for the step 3 to sign the first few people paying you. Now, this module is a whole new experience now. This is where people get the most stuck, kind of, signing your first 5 members. But that's why I'm here, and that's our North Star here, how to get you paid. And not just paid, but how to make sure your program works, how to work with people now, how to get feedback from them, how to improve your course, how to get to the next level, right? And this is what you're going to go with me through then later.